Coronavirus has been plaguing our society for an extended period of time, leading to many deaths and irreversible side effects to society in both physical and mental ways. Due to this unprecedented outbreak, it is now more important than ever to start an intensified rollout of vaccines around the world. So far, there have been 9 major vaccines which have been developed around the world, and in this video, we'll be looking at Covaxin. This particular vaccine has been created due to a very hard first and second wave of coronavirus, which had left a long lasting effect on the population. It meant that India was second only to the USA and had a whopping 32 million cases, with over 400,000 of these leading to the death of many. This caused the government to react and try to vaccinate everyone, but a shortage of vaccinations in India had made this hard. The only other option was to develop vaccines such as the Covaxin and mass produce them in an attempt to have everyone in the country vaccinated by the end of the year.
This vaccine was created in India by the Bharat Biotech Company and was a nationally funded project. This vaccine works very similarly to its Chinese counterpart, the CoronaVac, and is an RNA based vaccine and has a protein shell around the RNA in a way which has changed it so that it cannot replicate. This means that it is safe for the vaccine to be used as there is a very low chance that the cells will reactivate and spread around the body. In a way, the vaccine is simply just made of coronavirus infectious cells which have already been killed, and thus making it safe to inject as the cells have already been killed once. However, it can still allow the body and the immune system to create antibodies against the virus. After taking both shots, it takes a few weeks for the antibodies to develop in our immune system, which will fight against this disease. The virus has had a success rate of about 80% and requires 2 doses, which are roughly taken 4 weeks apart. Covaxin, being an inactivated vaccine, it means that more traditional technology is being used to manufacture it. A sample of the virus was held at India's National Institute of Virology and was grown in mass quantities using viruses. The viruses are then soaked in an organic compound called beta proprolactone, which binds them to their genes and deactivates them while leaving the particles intact. Through Bharat Biotech's manufacturing platforms, the vaccine has the capacity to produce around 300 million doses and looks to branch out to the overseas market.